We have a vibrant arts community in Fairfax County, one organization that supports access to the arts and cultural opportunities for all residents is ArtsFairfax. As we continue our support of local artists, we need to hear from you. Take this 3-minute survey and tell us, are you an artist? What do you need to succeed? And what do you need to enhance your quality of life in Fairfax? The survey is open through December 31st, 2024, and it's available in English, Spanish, Korean, Farsi, and Hindi. Survey responses will help ArtsFairfax connect artists with one another and local organizations, promote you and your artistry, create professional opportunities, and advocate for the needs of Fairfax artists. Make your voice heard. Respond to the survey and help ArtsFairfax help you share your talent with our community.